Okay, it's Nev. I've got Adobe After Effects 2019 open, and I just started a new project and I've saved it exactly where I want it. Now I'm going to import some files. In here I've got a ruler, shift, I've got my bike that I want. Oops, hang on. I want control, I want that ruler, I want that bike, and I want that arrow. So I'm going to import them. And here we go. So if I drag my bike down onto the timeline, and I can start it back at the beginning here, right about there, where I wonder where it is I actually want to start. So I'm going to hit the space bar, and around about here I suppose is a start point. So I can grab my start point, bring it across. I'm going to hit spacebar again, go to the other side. Oops, it's frozen. Oh dear, come on, go again. I'll hit spacebar and I'll go again, spacebar. Here we go. And I'm going to wait till I stop. Here we go, and that's probably enough. So I'm going to bring my final my end point up to here, and that'll do. I might leave it a little longer. And then I'm going to right click in the middle here, my work area, and I'm going to trim the composition to the work area. Now that's done, I'm going to file, save as. I'm one of these animals that saves all the time, and I'm just going to call that YouTube number 2, bike right, save. And here we go. Now from here I want to add a, let's get our playhead back to the beginning. I want to add, I need to be highlighting on this. Well, actually, let's add a ruler. So I'll drag the ruler down, and there it is, but we can't see it. Oh, what's going on? Oh, now we can see it. It's just sticking out the sides there. If I put the ruler above the bike, we can see it. Now we can adjust it. It's on our ruler layer. Yep, I can adjust it. Now when I'm sort of on the bike path here, the wheel's going to start around about there. It's going to finish about there. Let's adjust it. So that's roughly right, isn't it? Let's go a little wider. That's good enough. And we can throw that ruler up above here so it's out of the way. That will be present for our whole video. Okay, away we go. Alright, let's go back again. Now we're going to click back on the bike layer. While that's highlighted, I'm going to go animation, track motion, and here's my tracking point. While I'm rolling over that, I need the black arrow, bring it back and try and find that red beanie, which is in the shade, and it's very tricky. There we are. Now I want to track the motion. I'm going to go frame by frame for a moment to see whether it actually grabs on. Now the frames, there's not much happening for a long time here. You can see my foot moving, my head's not moving. We are getting a little bit of action. I can't even see what's happening behind there. Anyway, we want our person stationary for a while. So look, I'll run it for a second, and now we're starting to move. Run it again for a second. Right, we've got some moving, and that tracker is not following it's not following the movement there. So I'm just going to move it a touch. Whoops, not there. I'm going to move that whole frame a touch. Where are we? It's a bit tricky here. Okay, now there's the red. Okay, so it's gone up a bit. And now if I go frame by frame, I will see whether the tracker is following. We're not getting any action. It looks like it's frozen. I'll have to stop this now. I'll make another video when I've got some action, and we'll go from there.